Hey guys, welcome back, and today on Aussie Restorations we have a wood chisel. This chisel has a massive bend in it, it is a bit rusty, and we're going to restore the handle to a nice clear shiny finish. And we're also going to change the black to a navy blue.
So before we get started guys, if you want to smack that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you really enjoyed my work. Without further ado, let's get stuck into it.
So we have managed to get the handle off the chisel head. So it actually worked in our favour that the glue was a bit all dried and crusty and it's all very yellow and not very nice. So we're going to replace that. But in the meantime, we're going to now straighten the chisel head. So I found this leftover rust converter just laying around. I thought I'd use it before I have to chuck it out because it will be no good. I'm just going to pour this in here, then I'm going to leave it to sit for a bit, maybe like a few hours. But in the meantime, we are going to now work on the handle, see if we can scrub it up and make that look very nice. Well guys, so check this out. Look how shiny that is. Oh, it turned out better than expected. Look how see-through it is. Oh man, oh wow. Impressive. Okay, so now we're going to mask this off and paint this a navy blue. While the paint is drying, we're just gonna clean her up, sharpen it. I reckon this will come off. Yeah, wow, look at that, super easy. So I've peeled the tape away and the paint turned out absolutely awesome as expected. The primer and the top coat worked really well on the plastic, and I've buffed this out more so you got a better shine. And it's way more see-through now, you can actually see my fingerprint. And the polish on this looks really good. I actually enjoy it. I've left this unpolished, I've given it a brush steel look and the rest of it are polished, so it gives it that two-tone look, and I think it will look nice on the blue and yellow handle. I am going to paint these struts black just because, and it also marks my tool, because you got to mark your tools on the job site. we are done, guys. Oh, it actually turned out really well, and the results, they're pretty awesome. Come check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna make a montage of this, but just for show and tell, look how see-through that is. Oh, didn't know plastic could be so see-through, that thick and see-through. The black line turned out really well. Paint, the brush steel look, and the polished metal look really well. And you can see my reflection really clear. It's like mirror finish. And the end got sharpened as well, and that turned out really well. And I'm quite impressed with how this turned out. So, stay tuned for the montage. Smack the like button if you enjoyed this.